Hey guys, welcome back to Nutjob on Tour. This is going to be the first installment of the renovation, the fix-up, the get it done part of this whole endeavor that we got going on. Last video, I spoke about the plans for the next couple of weeks, and I'll be honest, things haven't really gone to those plans. It's not majorly negative, don't worry, we haven't found giant holes in everything, thank goodness, but I have been super busy working on another project you can see just through there. If you haven't seen that, please go and watch the video. It's probably the coolest thing we've done so far at Nutjob. It's called the Dub Tub, and you should definitely check it out. There's a thing maybe there, or maybe down there. You'll figure it out, I'm sure. So, with so much work going into this other project at the moment, I haven't been around to handle this one at all. But fortunately, I do have the boys here to absolutely smash it out. There's going to be a big update on what's happened underneath from Jazz and John. I've also got a bit of more list making, which will be at the end, and see what kind of ideas Ben and I come up with to throw inside the van, like a master list of everything. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Well, watch on, keep watching, and then I'll thank you for watching later. Anyway. Enjoy.
Hey guys, how you doing? So, quick update for you. I think the reality is starting to set in with young Adam, in that he's off to Europe, what, 5 weeks? 4 weeks, 5 weeks from now? He's a little bit like, I've got stuff to do, but I don't know what to do type thing. Things will work. We've got the gang here. We'll get him away, and but I think at the moment he's a little bit overwhelmed. So, I've got some good news for him though, because his mattress has just arrived. And also the workshop is very empty at the moment, because Jazzy and John have just headed off up the bar. Bar? No, they haven't gone to the bar. They've headed to the barn to go and get some bits and bobs off one of the donor vans up there, the gear linkage and stuff. So they're on it, you know, that's the whole nature of, we're very lucky to have the team.
Well, we forgot the jack. So, Jazzy's fan, one body, and we pulled it up on its edge. Removing our piece of tube that we need. Yes. Isn't it?
Right, we've now got everything we need.
Yeah. John, get rid of that, will you? Nice. Thanks.
This is hefty.
So we saw just now Adam's mattress has arrived.
It's really heavy.
And what was the whole idea? And you said to me, I want the most comfortable double mattress that I can find. That apparently, boys, is a luxury, small double, admittedly.
It does say luxury. 5 inches thick.
I can print one of those on my Waffle printer as well.
You see what I've got?
Let me just move this luxury phone holder. Adam, could you pass me a luxury spanner?
Yeah, find Adam.
Yeah.
I've only got those.
Oh, okay. Thanks, Adam.
That's pretty.
Oh, Adam's filming.
Yes, mate. Yeah.
All right.
Thanks, yeah, cheers, guys.
Look at this. How much was your luxury double mattress then?
90 quid.
90 quid. Yeah, you often get a lot of double mattress
90
for
quid
90
on
quid.
voucher.
Oh, you've got a good sleep though.
As he puts a knife all the way through it.
Oh, it's quite thick.
Yeah.
Sorry.
5 inches, mate.
Never seen a bloke so happy about 5 inches.
We'll yeah, I think we'll wait until.
Chubby, you're going to have to open it.
Yeah, we'll do
in
it
case you
later,
need a new
otherwise-
one
That is kind of true.
or another one.
Yeah.
You might need a double
Double
mattress
up.
mattress topper. Where you going, Adam? So I'm not talking to you.
Oh, we're going nowhere, we'll be.
Thanks, Ad.
It's all right. So here's the thing, right? In the last video, Adam decided that Adam was just Adam. I'm going to do all this. Me. Adam.
Yeah, I'm good.
So we've decided, without taking the mickey too much, that of course we must be Adam as well, and Adam. Oh no, Adam. So realistically, over the next 5 weeks, Adam, all by ourselves, will get this van off to Europe. Not that Adam's going to do it all by himself, Adam.
She should.
Right, you ready?
Already
Go on, send it. That felt too easy.
So we now have a very nice, good condition bay window auto box for sale.
Hello.
All the stick and everything else that goes
Yeah.
with it.
Blimey. Yeah, absolutely.
Or we have a complete original dipstick.
Yeah, look, right there.
Yeah, and we got one in the engine.
Boys, let's run through what has happened on the Contempo camper. They still haven't got a name yet. I'm working on it. We're getting there.
Jazzy.
We're thinking jazzy, so I can ride jazz across Europe.
It's the hill. Come on, Jazz.
Right, okay, boys. You've been putting loads of work in over the past couple of days. Obviously, I've been a bit busy with the tub. And obviously, you're on the tub now, but we are going to smash out what has happened mechanically under this van. Okay. Let's check it out. Okay, right, yeah, that's right.
The auto gearbox
Jono,
has been removed.
we are lacking gearbox, which is good because we're swapping it out for the conversion.
Yep. Got new mount back in for the manual box.
Now, very cool.
We have got
Tube in
the
for
tubing,
gear change.
which is, see this here?
Yeah.
This is the gear linkage
That's your
now
gear linkage.
to go manual, which goes through.
For which, there's been a lot of changes, isn't there?
Yeah, so we've removed all the auto selector. John's welded in the little peg which holds the gear selector. See, when you change gear, that's what happens. It moves that.
Yeah.
We have added a clutch pedal,
Clutch pedal here, yeah.
because we didn't have
Brilliant.
one.
Boop, boop, boop,
It's
boop.
not- it's
And that
like-
came off the old bay that we were using.
All of this came off the old bay. That is the boat.
Which is pretty amazing, yeah. Which
We
is,
are
which is
recycling.
Yeah.
very much so.
All the air conditioning has been removed,
Yeah, absolutely.
which was quite a lot.
A good clean up. Brakes have been serviced.
Yeah, nice work on that, Johnny.
Brakes are serviced.
They're looking clean.
All
as.
new ball joint boots we have just got, so these are all going to be replaced. Just having a good
And
clean
of
up.
course, clean up around the whole of the base here, which I was giving a go the other day as well.
I mean, there's no work to do under here. It's just brilliant.
It is in
One battery tray, haven't we?
unbelievably good
one
shape.
piece in the back.
So that's literally almost the only bit of
That
welding
is
we've
the
got to
worst.
do
That's the only bit of rust on it.
with the bodywork, which is pretty amazing.
Starting to think that the miles that are read on the clock could be genuine on it.
Oh, really?
So it
500?
could be 50,000 miler.
But wait, 50,000?
50,000 miles.
50,000?
Yeah.
I thought it was 500.
Given the condition of things under here and the condition of the brakes and the general parts, could be right.
Even
Boys.
the gearbox that came out, we think is pretty good.
Yeah,
auto
the
box
oil
is
in the
brilliant.
automatic gearbox is absolutely cherry red, which is perfect.
Yeah, wow. So we're looking at a really good condition van.
Sat, it's really, really good
Done
shape.
really well. So got a couple of plans. Of course, we got the these off. We're going to get a couple more of them from hopefully the
ones of
bay,
those.
or some more in. So we're going to whack this in. I mean, next week it's going to be.
Monday should be gearbox.
Monday.
That's
gearbox.
it. Monday gearbox. I'm going to go down and grab the engine from the VW engine company, which has been semi-refurbished, or at least it's running. So we can go grab that, and then we can hopefully get that in Monday, Tuesday. Obviously, we are not to the same schedule as I was talking about in that first vid, but that's just what happens.
But
That's fine.
the van has saved us a lot of time under it.
Absolutely,
Yes,
absolutely.
We might still mechanically come in quite close to the time that you're looking at. In fact, all the wiring sorted out, I've done all that, it's all ready to go in. So literally I just need an engine and a gearbox.
Yeah, so drive shaft.
We got those coming in.
Obviously service brakes, change wheel cylinders, just do it anyway.
Shocks we're going to
New
swap out.
shocks.
Yeah.
Probably change handbrake cables,
Uh-huh.
and then we're
Pipes if
pretty
we
much,
need to.
yeah. we're
And that's
done.
and that's
Even
basically
they're
the
good nick,
service.
aren't they? Look how
right?
clean they are. It's just got a bit of dirt on them.
Yeah, brilliant.
We're going to do a full brake
Absolutely
fluid
fantastic
change.
edition, yeah, all of it. So it is a really good.
What a great van. What a great van. Right, boys, thank you so much.
No worries.
Whew, let's get back to it. And just hold on 1 minute. This next part is a really long list. It's Ben and I chatting for about, actually the video was about 45 minutes long, and I've reduced it to approximately 7 minutes. It is an entire list of the things I hope to bring with me and that will be part of the van and all the kind of stuff that's going to go in it. This could be really useful information to yourself. So if you want to see that, please stick around. We do have a laugh while doing it, but it is a long list. So maybe it's not your bag right now and you want to go do something else. Be my guest. That's fine. I will put the entire list down in the description in case you wanted to see that and use it for yourself, or of course critique it. And yeah, if I've missed anything out, let me know. down in the comments. That'd be super useful. I just wanted to use this time really quickly to self-plug Nutjob on Tour on Instagram. Please go check it out. There are like live updates on there of what is going on and pretty pictures of the van and me. Less pretty pictures of me. Anyway, go do the list or don't. On with the show. Righto. So, I've got needs.
They are multiplying.
And I'm losing control.
Shall us your list. So what have we got? The must-haves
The must-haves
and the would like to
and
have stuff.
would be quite nice to have also.
So should we rattle through these really quick?
Yeah, should we just like send them off?
Yeah.
Engine, gearbox. I must be there. I'm on the list, of course. We are doing an auto conversion.
Must have.
Manual conversion, I should say. Insulation, a stove.
Nice stuff.
No, I want a stove.
No, you must have it,
I need a stove.
but we got to organise the nice to haves versus the must haves.
Okay.
Make
Bed.
sense? Must have.
Sofa, seating.
One, but
You want at least one sitting
yeah, you could have a milk crate.
appendage. Did I say table?
Power stuff.
That's quite important.
So leisure battery, inverter, solar panel. Yeah, these are musts actually, aren't they? We'd be sitting
Heater.
here.
That's actually very important.
Jump.
This is winter.
Yeah, you put a jumper on. All right, we'll put on the must haves, yeah.
Yeah. Water tank.
Must have, but if not, we've got backup. Water bowls,
Carrier bags.
carrier bags. Toolkit, yeah.
Toolkit. Toilet.
Isn't that what the bucket's for?
No, you don't want to know what that is. Big boy tyres. An awning.
Awning, yes,
Really
must.
important.
Camping chair?
Camping chair, yeah, absolutely. Panelling. Cupboards.
Go on.
Dimmer switch. I want a dimmer switch.
Dimmer switch.
Yeah, because sometimes it's too bright. Sink.
I'm sinking! So hob, gas, cutting board.
Choppy top.
Chop top.
Oh, fridge, cool box. Maybe just a cool box.
Start again. So, Coolbox. Oh, you got to say cool. 12 volt. Coolbox.
It's a cool box you got there.
So, Coolbox. So, you're going to go with a Coolbox that isn't...
A gas refrigerator.
Other people might think differently. So, we'll
It's
leave
a
that
gas fridge.
one. How do you think fridges work ordinarily?
I don't know, the electricity.
Gas that heats...
It heats it up to make it cold.
Someone let him know how fridges work. So, Coolbox.
Coolbox.
Is it, Oi!
Do you mind?
Do you mind?
We're filming in here.
We're filming!
Thank you very much.
But thank you for thinking about it. Coolbox.
How many
Coolbox,
times
right.
right. Cool box.
Then when you're driving along, if... You just fired. Yeah?
You need to refrigerate half the veg you got.
I don't really eat veg. What do you eat? Bread. Possibly...
Just on a solid carb diet.
Well, this is supposed to be the must-have. Must-have.
Hummus.
Hummus.
Get hummus on the list.
Container boxes. Nice couple of little posh lights, didn't you?
Yeah. If you want to see more about filament bulbs,
Please follow this channel. I'll be talking about all different kinds of filament bulbs in the upcoming videos.
shower,
Are you done on your
not
list?
essential.
So water, pump, tap. Oh, surfboard.
Surfboard rack.
Must. Storage for all your gear. Travel bag, maps, charts, compass,
Satnav.
Satnav. Painting stuff.
What am I painting?
I thought you were going to paint some landscapes.
Oh yeah, I'll get that one out then. An easel. Yeah. I will bring a speaker of some kind. I don't know if I'm gonna we're gonna do the whole hook it up around the entire thing.
You just go with like a Bluetoothy job.
Yeah, I've got one of those anyway.
Disco lights.
Yeah.
Fire extinguisher.
Oh, important.
Spare fuel. Winch. Ramps. Little mini ramps. Windbreak.
Windbreak.
Windbreak's quite cool. Quite important. Spare seats. Guests.
Welcome guests.
Crockery.
Crockery, yeah.
Cutlery.
Something to drink out of.
Something to drink out of. Matches. Lighter. Something like that of propulsion. Gas, you're going to try and sort out either using the tank down here or a separate gas
Yeah.
bottle. Oh, passport.
Got that.
Condoms.
They're old. Might be outdated.
You going to Mongolia? Tow rope. Suntan lotion.
That is important.
A fan in here.
I want a plant. I want to bring a plant. Bike.
Bike rack. Bike lock. Padlock. Helmet.
Spare wheel and one of the changey things.
Jack.
Yep.
Notebook.
Pens. Pencils.
Yeah. Cameras.
Multiple.
Showing what you're up to.
Charges.
Plug-in points. Laptop. Amazon account. Cash.
Need.
Euros.
Yeah.
So you've got to get this down to about 30 seconds, huh?
It's half an hour. How have we been sitting here for half an hour?
I know. But because there's all stuff you need here.
believe
Tinted
it.
windows, blinds, curtains, horn. Oh, thermal vests.
Thermal vests.
Thermal
boxes.
covers for the windscreen. Batteries. Soundproofing, which is kind of like your insulation.
Does a little bit of both.
Door cards. Playing cards.
Cards, yeah.
Trump cards.
Great idea.
Kettle. Spares. Lots of spares.
Warning triangle.
Alcohol kit.
Aircon, we've just removed.
Mirrors. We're going to upgrade your mirrors. Ooh, look at you. CO2 alarm. Where
Carbon monoxide.
Yeah. And also you've got
CO1.
things where people park in lay-bys in France and they spray gas through your vents to suffocate you and then they nick your van.
What?
Polish or polish?
Polish.
Glass. Skylight. Got a skylight. Nice rack.
Nice.
Bike rack. Surf rack. Tie-down straps. Ratchet straps. Breakdown cover. 2 girlfriends. Oh, hammock.
Hammock.
Well, roof rack.
I'm going to be able
so-
to reach a roof rack.
Yeah, we've got the roof rack that came off of the Westphalia. That'd be amazing for it.
I don't know if I'll even be able to reach it.
Got surfboard rack
Need
inside.
a
Ladder.
ladder.
Charging USB stuff. Entertainment.
Books.
Books. Nice reading light over the bed. Essential. Toe
I'm not
hitch.
sure about that one.
Maybe.
Toe hitch, maybe, yeah.
So there you go. How many weeks?
5.5.
So quite a lot of those though are just things to get.
Yeah, it's
So
just grabbing hold of
you
stuff.
can just go through this list now, can't you?
And just
Amazon.
got that.
Amazon.
Yeah.
And the rest of it, you go, here you go, Jazz, John,
How can we do that?
I'm going to Amazon. You go and build my van.
Thank you, Adam.
I'm doing it all by myself.
Yeah.
There you go.
Something's going to happen.
That's the list. That's my list. Look, on a thing, and he's got a list on a computer.
Right, well, better get to it then, eh?
Don't do that with the laptop.
So, team, thanks for watching, you bunch of nut jobs. If you enjoyed this, or even if you didn't, give it a like. It'd be really appreciated. And subscribe if you haven't already to see more stuff like this. If you got through that entire list, by the way, good on ya. Good on ya. If we missed any essentials from that list, please let me know in the comments because they are important. Anyway, you lot, it's been an absolute pleasure. I hope to see you next time when, well, we'll be picking up the engine, getting that in, and hopefully we can take it for a first drive. Oh, bro, I'm gonna drive it home. I just got a bit emotional. You see that? I've got little glassy eyes. I don't know, I'm just really excited. I'm gonna clean this up on the weekend, I think. Look at that. I've already started a little bit, but I think there's more to do. There is more to do. Anyway, guys, I'm rambling, and I think you're all amazing. You lot be you lot, and I will see you next time. Nutjob out.
Look at the state of that.
What
What are you doing, Ad?
We're getting all the grime and the dirt and the dust and the rust off to then be able to treat it and then, of course, paint it and then floor it.
Have you been using your head to do it?
Yeah, I've just been wiping my face up and down the floor.
But it's in really good nick, isn't it? Look at
it's
that.
in great nick. It's in great nick.
Fantastic. Because the only surface rust on here was from where it had been coming in through the
Drippity-dripping.
roof light that didn't have a covering on it, right?
Yeah.
So what's next?
pretty good.
In bit of coating, bit of insulation.
Yeah. That's the strategy.
That's it. Then it'll be in, floor in, sides in, bed in, sleep in. Gone. Bye.
Done. Let's go.
All right. Bye.
See ya.